Hello, everyone. Today, we will demonstrate how to utilize the BearPi to implement ADC development functionality. These are the interfaces used in ADC development. The development of ADC requires the use of relevant appers available in the BearPi platform. We can use buttons to simulate the voltage changes on GPIO ports. By enabling the pull-up resistor on GPIO, we can read a high voltage level when the button is pressed. While holding the button, the voltage read will be a low-level voltage. Enter VS code to view the relevant code. First, create a task for the ADC. In this task, first set the ADC to pull-up mode. That means when there is no button pressed, the ADC will maintain a high voltage level. The voltage read is the high voltage level in this case. In this loop, we obtain the voltage value and print it. The obtained voltage value can be obtained using this ADC function. Save the obtained value in the variable data. Print the obtained voltage value. Compile the code. Select the burning file. Connect. Wait for a moment. Press the development board's reset button. Read the voltage value of approximately 3.3 volts, indicating a high level. Pressing the F1 key. The voltage value it reads is around 0 volts, which corresponds to the low level. After releasing the button, it returns to the previous state. Finally, let's take a look at the flowchart of the code and understand the concept of this experiment. That's all for today. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.